'Cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing?
Ayiko.
These songs of freedom is all I ever have. Redemption songs.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Redemption songs.
He makes me to lie down in green pastures.
I ever have.
He leads me beside the still waters. He restored my soul.
Redemption
He
songs.
leads me in the paths of the righteousness for his name's sake.
Redemption.
Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil.
Dissipate yourselves.
For thou art with me,
Slave
that rod and that staff comfort me.
can free our
Thou prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies.
atomic.
Thou anoint my head with oil.
None of them
My cup runs over.
time.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me
Shall they kill our prophets?
all the days of my life,
We stand.
and I'll dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Some say
It's just about 31 after 12. Good afternoon, Ghana.
got to fulfill.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
Adonai. Baruch haba Yerushalayim. Baruch ata Adonai. Baruch haba Yerushalayim.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
From the Bible to the Quran, Revelation in Jerusalem, Shalom, Salam Alaikum. You can see Christians, Jews and Muslims living together and praying, Amen. Let's give thanks and praises. Baruch ata Adonai.
Ayiko.
Baruch ata Yerushalayim. Baruch ata Adonai. Baruch haba Yerushalayim. Jerusalem, Yerahim. Jerusalem, je t'aime. Jerusalem, here I am. Jerusalem, je t'aime.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
Ayiko.
Israel ya kirati
97.1 radio. I go by the name Nana Kwame Perry. You can call me the ultimate finest. The meme you know catch you anyway. And it's just about 53 after 12. And then 25th day in the month of September 2023. We chanted on Babylon, Water Sinton, Wagwa, O City. Hey. The fire we control, no amount of water can cool it. We control the airways. Together with me and my entire production team, Mr. Kwakubu Atin, Gideon Too, as well as Okori, and to the entire staff as well. Not forgetting my official DJ Donzi. Yeah, Mamunyina Ayuko. Had about the best air drive. It's your afternoon drive show, so yeah, friend Ayuko. Mami fast I can send for my superb lunch. Oh my dama. Sazuna Safari Echo Aye Valley. Almost one more count. Not forgetting chill out, E3 and pub. Ejuma Queen, you know, this is Kabotia, but Madina Bisoma sing. And we are brave. We could crowd say, I could see a 2 p.m. Nebuchia. Are you aware that some superb lunch to fee a mamponi crapem and dra I am matching? And I am matching is an is over the weekend. Na mampon kuntunchi. The biggest Uhum festival never so Kenata passed through on Saturday. It was a blast. Sisi ade Mema ukapeme nyina frishapa fiti adronte nana usim nana otumbo jankwasi on an impengine wadonte sambre was on my frishapa nana no mo benkum was on my frishapa nana no mo woni fa ukapenge ne impengine say afrishapu ukapeme ma ene ne pengine afrishapa afida zena yigusuti ase no kuapemante ase na superb Ghana say nyampa odwrei omo parody 12 artists and surprise artists account on one stage. They are the official party center. Ekuapem Ghana ha ebi odu eni be chiri bia no superb lunch abomodin agintri hehe o ma agintri hehe won ye pampa so dia wo se won fefo tenten enti ewie se uriti mi a ojura ope baby obetena no we feel all right and one is superb lunch kai say Friday Saturday Sunday artist after artist medical nom Wendy Shea, Stage A, Lil Win, Guru. On one stage. So watch out for more. You hear this over reservation. 0544665797 0544665797 and what you know Kaiser Money the biggest pool party here bro second day in the month of October Ewo Kwa ECBA Hotel a superb lunch the biggest pool party opportunity in Splash tickets you know you're just 100 Ghana cedi grab your tickets now live band institute here superb lunch the official party center Don Pablo Papa say minchiao na we me ma good afternoon na me bisa say upo mo teden Don Pablo say upo baby obetimi anya fresh shakes papa shakes na hudo ni nyina bi sure na ni nyina egu efe nso pe chill drinks na ewe ya wanya fufu ampesi kokonte bi edi no baba modin de aboso me ba keto na say daddy ye de be boto tie ya fa boto ni nyina Don Pablo pap na kai say Pablo so wo new papa on the Sandy Grill and then tomorrow born tomorrow e wa live filling station in Chimu pe omo bia no over the weekend enti kai say a white on jeans and I happen to be the official MC. It's in Yampa. Make sure, make a date. Go grab your chilled drinks out Don Pablo Papa as well as your fresh shakes, you know. Never, your mama the Yampa white in jeans so. The Enko party. Yeah, Don Pablo Papa in the Sandy Grill. Or Alive Filling Station in Chimupe.
Finest and I'm Kwame Perry.
Abusia Egg Dog Ventures in Penny Forces open 6 inches hollow blocks, 6 inches solid blocks, 5 inches hollow blocks, 5 inches solid blocks. Nina wonsa ebekebi. Ewo maswe me di ade me yapa we asene se bekwa koto ade na ade no nim se enye. Nanso isa na edufodi enti obeto ne saa. Yes, so far the food idea, uchi the food ka. Eti bomodin answer wo per blocks papa de kukuru would die will still be. We will never check 8 ventures for sure yet. What would that check croponic yapem? A year homita guest house junction wa before that check clinic. Once I ever come wo emission from 0544 364 354. Nana say be Joso and Nana say sending a Santa for Becano. Obejo so anopa ewia enwumre se wo pe prepaid in so ato na bia na you the swim light to call offer friend na say is an substantial your ECG prepaid vendor friend was 05349872122 na say oye juma 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Igdop Ventures, we got you sorted. SB Anointed Automobile and Penny Force no pay. Omunu di nkomo we abrin so mo de amame se me no ni nkomo na me no di nkomo am kuta me so bra ochira ho brase me nkomo ye nkomo ti a ewe wo ka no hia service baby ebetimi aye ne crystal clear de ama bibia aye kama ana hom kabli nyina no SB Anointed Automobile for so ye omo affordable and reliable automobile repair services. Auto electrical works, automatic transmission repair, engine overhauling, altimeter repair, automatic transmission programming, control board programming, air condition services, vehicle diagnosis, oil changing, FA check engine, what person checking in when it's a brew, Christ Apostolic Asorino, and Chimupa. Sabeka SB Anointed Automobile will hold from 0558 476 0558 476 and 0241 992 490. SB Anointed Automobile. I say Bomadi Abra. Nancy Adia Bakwa when you be aka. Now one mama de and Chirimu ya ni bubefu a loan. What you make loan kuma be? Sike daso na esosin Ghana na ene Ghana fo nyina ye wonwuma ketwa ne akese ya koma dwen kan ketisi a quick credit and investment micro credit limited for so startup loans, emergency loans, salary loans, working capital loans, business loans insi woni ye kuma bi ene fe yen kokase kofo bi bra no be guarantee ma Garanta na your Ghana card no. Inti ewe so wo Ghana card a. Wo say ye jemeso ye. Na bomo de friend number C 030-2200-390 and 0596-920833. What can quick creditor? Let it make simple. Enya baby a na yeko. Nansa ni na me hwe documentary bi na akwala bi bo modern akopie mu obi a bi. And I mean say jata. Eta kwala na papa run. Na run on we jata hwan ni mu America tu. Bara usiatie. Safari Valley Eco Park. Anyway, may come for the amount say for your honeymoons, your wedding anniversaries, your birthday parties, and what have you. Charlie, ni party we as a kakra enjoy life. We'll be born in your chop life. Enjoy life. Is an Isabrabono? Any wara. Ain't Safari Valley Eco Park no? And assembly we are may come for the amount say Bomadiana on now for one casa. For far one dream. You could have serene and a atmosphere. I mean, no case idea. And you're very conducive for business ideas. I dream be a person called Fabiano. Okota Safari Valley Eco Park. Uche bibi kakrebia wewrem. Obe enjoy atwa mo anu bay. O person would dance to a hotel ho. Ne crack and say restaurant is to a year Juma 24/7. Ube di continental local dishes. Nano ame call ho. Oh massa me type aduane no man francho. Say buffet. Timi me who die. Me who die as when you big girl we are no. 0596914394 059669143994 Safari Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature. And we did good. Nabomodi and feeling good. And soon I may a chop bar. And I become for the amount. A bako conte or mutu light soup. And we are up, baby. I'll be to me. I didn't why okay. I'm more feeling okay, padia. I was going to do on Quanche be an HNB complaining of your stomach ache. And as I complaining, say, me boat a granite, me boat there be a granite dear. 18 a year, kwame, I must mean pay granite there be. And your baby, Anna, me did it. Made the I'm a tommy boat. Now my pay granite pa. If it costs me more to eat good, I am okay. But baby, I may come for the amoy. It will cost you less to eat good. And soon I may a chop bar 1 month fee crap him. Eti Yanoma moving crying. For you have voted Abruchri. Namo per baby, I move it to me a DDF feeling or a Yansunyamia. A fufu mutu kuntako kunti. Kaisa Sambre Udrabre in Sobebo live bands from Kong. It is 0242017553 0242017553. Oh, for you watch your bar. I see did good, not feeling good. Abuja mama nkoji abua for krato mama nkoji nkrato ni ba. Abi, you know what's up. You know what they go on. Me want information in the be mom. I'll be right back.
Bro, Kojo, obey exams na wetwa no yopo say. Eh, na ifa na alternate textbooks no efi.
Many abia, the bay addition fapim enyina ejina Runis Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obake to ensu ya enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook and afin so no eye erasers na ede yafi Runis Bookshop and Stationery. Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school nso no men den. Insuro Runis Bookshop e books edema mofra efi nursery ekopim senior high school nyina ebi ewo na aso ye obake to enso on nursery no eba ni crayons, color pencil, erasers and afil sharpeners oko Runis Bookshop and Stationery unsabeka.
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Runis Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan.
Runis Bookshops and Stationery ewo Mamfia Kwapim police station no eni mo pe ana frɛ no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 ana 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Runis Bookshop and Stationery na wama humesia ayete. Money oh, hey, money oh, money oh.
Me pa na ne de me adma me skin say black spots J-menim boss na me read den so aye basa we ja me arewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of product ma'am glutathione ne collagen component a ewum ne siesie honam no etiani na mane ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenshia wamma me read the aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia do any choma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Somebody person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anafe. Almost supply a war. Anya. Anafe bibi biara upebia war building site war. Kaiser almost so they are into real estate development and so. It would dino person upejan in Tempa. Ofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so. For any job busumasi equipem. A monochrome equipem. For India, Asunjay Junction, Wasabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company, from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 Book social media handles in Yina, a yet Ofla Construction Limited Company, Wasa Erakomo, Kaisa, we have free delivery. Baby, I will be informed. Yedebeko could jaw in Tempara, Senya Ofla dia, and there you are not building. Kayo, Sir Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Level 3 presents Accra City Dating the Kwapano Draft Festival 2023 happening live from 28th September up until 2nd October opposite the GRA office High Street. Thursday 28th September Ekropon with Day Wenshia Miriv Ninja. 29th September Dirty Afro with JLOX Cape Town. Saturday 30th September Just Well Get Her. Sunday 1st October Keleto event with David Deuces, GH Hype, Ahumadaki and the Boys Aoki. 2nd October Dirty Links and Vibes, Chips in Pops and Fry, DJ Sombel, DJ Tom, DJ Latic, Suspect DJ Pinto, DJ Scotty the Jam King, Was MC Romeo Taylor, Nassel MC, MC Obroni, MC Clean Ticket, MC Viper, Sherry War, Media Partners, Metro T, Akuma FM, Johnny Walker, and many more. For inquiries and reservations, 0244 925 412. Accra City Rave 2023. It's going to be massive, power, and fun. Level 3. Enter the fun. Come on, you ginger.
Fufuo Festival Jack for how you know to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapo kwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo Festival no Edi bro okwapman nyina ebeye the style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumade nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animo a ekwapo ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano anopa no what till you drop Bibiani na pese bia wonim pay for twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand no nkata do ton wonim bia betimi pay for twetwe nkomo e won 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufu na mi ni fufu style bia
Ghana man hiam puntuo okuape man hiam puntuo kanko ene nkoso se we betumi abemu a age okoman kasa entitie me ewu ebi ka kire kwesi apia apreku wo okoman kasa dwumedie so wo okoman 97.1 radio so efire adwoada kosi fiada anopa no nsia ene fa kosi nondu
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye tie for ye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumekwa aworo se. Se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ya ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo ho dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana se jingle ho sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa no live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema wo ne hia ne se wo be frɛ ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano.
Next 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuman Radio 97.1.
What don't you know me what don't you my register? Mesha one coming in Dofubia. Miss Odon Quanti, Odon Quanti, Ukasa Grane Kumio. Odon Quanti, Odon Quanti, Onate Bone Kumia. wiase nyina wa mia kami di wiase nyina betawa na wati mi duniasi came from a papa ebo yeah mi di mita betwa no amawo na ye wajapa de prakoa Senke gana wa mia kami dia koko boka ni ewetewa na ye wajapa de prakoa
Okuma Radio 97.1
Eye ankasado na mi do na eba no say no do pe na mi nede ya edruboni na mi numwana anase mi kosha konfo se obi do wa hunwana na ini awuki kanu na mi tio
Ayiko
mi do unimse if you only power
Finest and a Kwame
Ayiko
Sophie and I'm also na mete odasi Nasafi enese ekimia afena opo no way Ode kwaya aji wonwa Yemfre no kwaiwo Semafumu wakachemio Na mimpa ucha nenyese yejayo Kwe Arira chichire mido unimse If you only power Ababa we eyinimo Eyinanwa edikonsio no bana seyo Sophie Asisio no shegudia Tenyerukra Enyimimo Simi wambotre Yameyo piano
Finest and a Kwame Perry
Yena Venus moi, Yena Venus na ejo, na fei ande, mama tafuenya miyo.
Ayiko
If you only power Ababa we eyinimo Eyinanwa edikonsio no bana seyo
Ayiko
Sophie Asisio no shegudia Tenyerukra Arira chichire mido unimse If you only power
Ayiko
eyinimo Eyinanwa edikonsio no bana seyo Sophie
Odoya rere uremia merobia Enutino mame wakumemo Ameso madobi Odoya nifenu Sani asike mitenwa Enutino mame fenua. Sadi asike mitiano. Enunti no mami hu akuma muye. Ame somado bi, somado bi yo.
And it's just about 26 after a year 1, and now year 25th day in the month of September 2023, the year of our Lord. And you are still tuning to the best afternoon show. Yeah, friend Ayiko. Once again, say, yeah, Mamichia ejedu ewo ahimbrum. Ejedu ewi abiri na umpo mo. If you had a Saturday, Sunday, and a live band in a basso, I will home and away bar. Ejedu. Good afternoon.
Want some sugar?
Winning me per se, ye didi. Ye didn't so as I see ye didi near Philippa. And Mammy Momo Dian from a tea for taxi driver, trotro drivers. Not forgetting a police for a anamo de a Nina Cochet taxi drivers, Omuno baby, Yania, the Obo Abisa police for. Police of Uzunim baby assembly and Sapapa war. Any baby, Yana Papa war. Intimichia police for Nina or Ghana. A man like Coro. Hitman Bibi Aboko there. To the entire police service and if national security for more around in Mami Chiamo. Hey, Nami, good afternoon. Chief Inspector Lukman Suleimana. Investigator. Ewe Kropon District. Namincha Commander. Wone eye Ataja. Any police for you Roberta. Wone Rafi. Chief Inspector Alta. Any Obapa eye Eunice. Ewo Dofsu. Any Jumaya form what Dofsu nyina. Ewe good afternoon. Some hoye dear. Chill out, eatery and power. And I may come for the amount say we will more than copy one sorted in a day. Yeah, Uncle fried rice with a chicken, jollof fire with chicken, plain rice with gravy, plain rice with a vegetable stew. Or damn, I could be brave. Assorted fried rice, assorted jollof, And every French fries with chicken, banku with great tilapia, banku with okra stew, banku with goat and tilapia light soup, granule soup, rice balls with granule soup, fufu, any aponchi. Eba local and continental dishes are a chill out eatery and pub will be spring roll, shawarma, sandwich, and sanoniaburu niamburuna cocktails are hodo. A chill out eatery and pub for sure. We were Kufu Road in this one. New police station in Chemupe. And as a district police station, we were fire service in HDP. Once I ever come from 055 403 9939 and 0534 989227 0534 989227 and 0554 039939. Kayo set chill out eatery and pub. I see a granny papa fee. Don't you see my casa me granny na don't me do be call. I remember lunch what na level 3 penny for say me chia mo na me kanche mu nyina say udwrei Akro City dirty Rav no Ekropon Odra Festival and 28th 29th 30th 1st 2nd ni nyina no dwumadi esronko on man pengini abomodi ahihye ne kama you know, on the 28th Ekropon we did watch a show no a beba so evening jam 29 September a dirty Afro Friday and Friends. Every 30th September, hey, I just wanna get high. And yeah, me perceive me who ni ever koso ho. Sounds on the 1st October, I kill it or leave it. 2nd October, a dirty A links vibes, chips and pop, friends, oh Charlie, and yeah, easy. We're just opposite a GRA. Now, we've been a lot of DJs passing through this time. Hype Man too as well. DJ Time, DJ A Latex, DJ Suspect, DJ Pinto, DJ Scotty, the Champ King, MC Romeo Taylor, Nestle MC, MC Obroni, and a host of others, as well as a DJ Viper. And also by passing through 0244 925412. Vocal level 3. I'll say I feel you are not knowing Shimbom. And there being the special day, what is exactly a year? The 25th day in the month of September. No, I won't waste my time. Cry. Yanko your health benefit edema ginger. Me shall say Friday, you know. Nyame ye wadom na unya akekedro ye dia insusanso papa edebrayen minchia equipping health directorate for equipping not health directorate for michia mo at the same benzino one mebela metipe not forgetting the entire staff for more ho nyina good afternoon efetete kwashi Memorial Hospital maminchia necessary ho nyina Dr. Ann and once me. All right, me shall say it improves a immune system, no. And Brunibeka say it improves immunity. And if a boy so will be a cancer hawa what a ginger and a kikedra a boapa. And if a santi or yaoso a kikedru benefits na medema a tea or yaoso. Anything I can don't you know bobo na omutuko konua ne abomodia bobo akekedro no so ne ade achechire ne ntemago is and said that is some of the benefit of ginger. And if a more healthy skin will be an chena wrinkles. And when I'm Diano, and ye might be Google and in Sans and being near men sem fata. No abomodia. Ape a year, Akikedru, the Akikedru no more. Bonsam Pada, Bibia de D. Emma ultimi lose weight and so come. Enti ene no akekeduro mfa so a yenya no se opesa wo so te ubetimi abomoden di akekeduro dodo eniti na asesi a makọ eye emiame ahodo okofo yi asesi a ana abrama ma wo se nkrofo otwi eye akekeduro ewo asankam na ye de poku liver no twim ni aje benku agum ana fufu ni edi ni kama pa. This is a little benefit that I can give you today about ginger. Mami fasira kesi mfama Cocos massage parlor for or madama and I bo modern the benefit they will have benefit of being a walk kedrum and ginger no we bo modern the brew. Internet your health bit is brought you back and to see a Cocos massage parlor. Deep tissue and as a menokaso pay a Swedish massage, facial treatment, detox, and as a sexual a massage, sensual, erotic massage, lingam massage, nuru massage, prostate massage. Nina no Cocos massage parlor na make am for dia matise se ne ama brebe se 3 days in Monday. Nyampe na me pon a. Me bomodia ko jimre. Ya bomodia ma me massage papa na me dia kan ya me pende ye Swedish die no. O ma me eno enne. Nyame pa. Ansa ne fia da bedu no. Na makoje lingam massage ni bi. Lingam massage no makoji bi na me de eye donze so akona prostate massage no any nuru massage no yaya ma no 80 for your best place asamre betimi ama massage papa amwo unsampa unipa no ipedua na sisi na aposo a eno ane Cocos massage parlor Kwashiman, Presby Road in Aswa, 150 meters away from the Presby Church on Sabekomo. Ojrai so Omo Kwabesco Hotel, Ekroponi Kapem to Ojrai. Yeah, brother, bronya. Are you enjoying yourself? When you enjoy yourself, you make sure you take some good massage somewhere. And then Cocos massage parlor na make come for the amount. If fitness is your life, massage is your prize. From 0244580898 0244580898 Mami chia mama calls Kufu Road uso One adwumayefo asambere mo wo akos Atena michiamo not forgetting Ibrahim yere Mama na bibi aboko de woni Mr. Ibrahim. Going out to you. Abena mama okay. Hey doctor. Say mo ho ye de. Anyami. It's just about 37 after 1 and it's 25th in the month of September 2023. Ayuko with yours truly, Nana Kwame Peru with me from the finest amendment in our country. Good afternoon, me kwaba. Na me the people's favorite and so bro. Any birthdays?
Ayuko. My friend who are home a true one is 1,000 times. Nansu and maybe catch him say edum. Who out of coverage area? I'm a mute, yeah, I'm coming in the book, yeah, time free, ain't you one pan way me, ain't me a pan away me say, soon me to quanta, oh, when him say we cancer, mommy, friend will be moved. When him say we cancer, me who say we bakra, me tremble. When him say we cancer, me shall soon cry, me shall manchiano. That's my hobby, me to you. Me pese me take one more time. Me pese me when him hey bien. Me pe quiet perfume and only registry. Me pese would come once again. And rank a truck, you see me, me cry.
Ayiko.
Serna traffic like no soldier. Dance I drink into me drinks and see me tremble. Hatipena. Anka meeting your tears from Hapatawa. Anka metwa konsultiza roma ati cheche swaga ama wakontoyem ayiko ni se wone mi se mami so die biemu ni se wakase mi better so be cry me tremu ni se wakase mi share some cry me share my hello share I was here me pese me te one tetem one more time me pese me when fefeno hey bien me te quiet girl perfume and only registry me pese me te casadena me pese me kai was in me pese me sorena pa wa coco sway me pese me so come soft when in way me pese would tell me once
Ayiko
again. Ayiko Oyana
Ayiko
Oyana Adiepena Mati Piashira Lord of mercy yeah Mati baby Ayira oh Ayiko Mati Piashira Adiepena Me new talk set up free
Ayiko
Madam from Credit Cancer Finest Nana Kwame Perry Ayiko
Hey, station radio man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
The deep in yet the same say that the Wamba and now let me sweat when you out of Ayiko we in the door
Ayiko
but don't pim
Ayiko
Opesementi obi wana me say bedo wone medo wo denyina me de me hone makumena bedo wo pim oh found so better niko Ayiko naze asemi hawa eya country me the matter free when you were mama in this world me ma won't no me ma any jerusu so doni anma medani anumebu seni metimia mebo baya kawoshi ayiko maurewa medani nyankonto sechion de muyo odo mesi seni utibia minubeo Sir, ayiko minu dentro mabagwa kataya ayiko win the mommy and the jerusu simi onia and function why minunya sewa
Okuma Radio.
And more pink to why me adianya eya catching why now the old quino eya who's in the chacho oh jantana mwa minu beko ayiko minu beko ayiko sauda jatabu mwa ayiko nase wiase ye ayiko medoni nyankoto amawa rishimu secha nemuyo oda sade sawa na osumwa utuwa kreativia medali struma bedi wani makodo fie jojo ade sawa na osumwa utuwa kreativia medali struma metre ukwa kodo fie jojo Billy Warrow, Billy Warrow, Milu Bell, Milu Bell.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Manuma Cody, Mewa me then now. Sano Dobio, Aiku. Ada, me Aiku. Ada, me Aiku. Ada, me Aiku. Ada we aiku
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini yedieni yekramuche
nenuni no do beshengo gise kwa godina so baby kwa meunu amidena adosun to misi sako adowie nye venti e modo komu kumyo e bano sawa mio obidumbi wa mita
Okuma Radio.
Bibi to me city and easy. It's a pussy or the quanti bono. Unia Mekano. At the end in science, it's your to me, Yamanu. Unyamozika mu me no beko. That's empty. Your dog took a do on your jamu. And there be so many more. Maybe there be so many more. There be so many more. Maybe there be so many more. I'm your mountain, Suzuman in your door. I'm your mountain, Suzuman in your door. And there be so many more. 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 I'm your mountain, Suzuman in your door. I'm your mountain, Suzuman in your door. Oh, don't you tell me what to be cool,
Come on, you come
oh, in your beers, you does it all fun to learn from me. How do you in himself? Are there now? What do you know? We are on the come
Yes, I have some few minutes to say bye-bye to you. Just about 9 more minutes to hit the alpha here, 2 p.m. on your radio. And good afternoon going out to Nana Abontedom Hene Nifa Ewo Nankese traditional area Obi Hene Bafo Kumankum Sreko Airakwa. Good afternoon. Wafa. And to you, Nana Eduse into Ampa. Chidomine Edima Okugwa. Ohinema, good afternoon, Daddy. Nyampe Chena. Hey, Nana Kentin Kedi. Former district commander. Edema Dansoman, Onoasu na presiding member. Edema Okre District Assembly. Yampa Mubidi na Ochuda Wokugwa. I'll be passing through. I have to come at all costs. Mama, good afternoon. Not forgetting Niami Hene Osaberi Mo Pese Kunedu. Mama, good afternoon. Acting if I Hene sounds like Yokuga Hene, and Yokuga Trankunya, Ma'am, good afternoon. Chairman, be our chairman, Mr. Apia Yolson. Apia Superb. There's any new name for the money. I ran to your Mexico bone. And to Mama Superb. Mama Annie. Hey, good afternoon. Alright, Abusham, I'm in for a birthday. Yeah, no man, no moody on my word. I'm in for Moody and to Jana, her on my one moody. I would end there. And if today happened to be your birthday, you are celebrating your birthday with some prominent personalities that you need to celebrate together with them. Yes. And then William Mamachi. And then I would William Amachi, one of the finest middle distance runner. Ghana, how we to America, my papa, born 25th September 1958. Now, the sign here, a Libra. September 4th, 25th September 1958 in the war, no. Now, okay, papa, one of the renowned politicians, now, surveyor. Now, a background or Salaga, now we represented the people of Salaga constituency, our northern region. Salifu Adam Berima, member of the 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic of Ghana, represented the Salaga South constituency in northern region. On a ticket, MPP, New Patriotic Party. Almost take a suno jinano the winning seat, my brothers and sisters, me, my loved ones out there. Thank you so much for making this show the number one afternoon show in the capital and in Ghana as a whole. You're from Nana Kwame Perry with me, from the finest and men in our culture. And good afternoon going out to you, or Bapa Cuisine, and to you as well, Magro, Wine Town. Hey, good afternoon. FA to join 57, aka Mama Okum, and Getty, granting Bibi Abokodia. I'm for the people's favorite and from bro. And from the top to the down, 1 to 55 after 1. Enjoy this. This one keep you ringing tone in my ears. I can't stop playing it. And other people love it too as well. Most of all, don't you know? I'm going to title your Kokwa Nancy. I'm Rado. Enjoy yourself.
Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be wired, I can wash it. Ekitamina when you be to me pass it. I cherish every moment, me my spirit day free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be wired, I can wash it. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from do a mess, sorry. Nabusuya didi ame ho atomi. Any mere won pabuanu ke and coming. And pim time, pim dummy. Get up from do a mess, sorry. Nabusuya didi ame ho atomi. Any mere won pabuanu ke and coming. Nanya me penny se me na mame 964. Man kwa ebusuya better come.
Alright, Ebushia Hana Medi Jumedi in your base. Sam Radio Live Worship Happiness on your radio. Asraka Senkoma DJ Ziggy. Have a weather. Weather no me weather now. So where do you meet me up on ringing? That's Asraka Senkoma DJ Dozy. Official DJ for the show. Not forgetting another me and the entire staff for them supporting me. Mommy did the best afternoon show, bro. Executive producer, Kwaku Boateng, Mr. Esan Kennedy home. Okari Ajaman, Gideon too. And no war with you, man. God bless you. Yam Pechna, you wish you. Any mere won Papuanu K and coming. But I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Suroja.